Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm just heading over to Chris's. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are at Chris's, and today we are going to bring the back end up. So last week I had the front leveled and I wasn't happy with the stance, so today we are bringing the back end up 1.5 inches. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is what the kit came with: 2 blocks and 4 U-bolts. So now we're just going to use Chris's fancy race car jack it up from the pumpkin, and we're going to put 2 jack stands underneath. So I'm not going to bore you with that. Okay, so we got everything in position. We're going to do the driver's side first, so I'm going to get in there and take off the 4 nuts on the U-bolts, and then we're going to drop it down to give us room to work. Thank you. All right, 21 millimeters.
So much easier to do on a new truck, and then he's not rusted down.
Piece we're going to be using it again. Place it on the floor, and the U-bolts are already making their escape. So you can see the block in there. This is the new block. So we're going to be taking that out. To do that, we're going to slowly, very slowly, lower the jack that's on the pumpkin. I have to stand on the other side, so it should just drop this one side more than anything. Very cautiously until I have enough room to get that piece out.
That's it.
But you know what? There's vanilla ice cream in here.
This should work.
This should work, yeah.
Okay, the tire's basically on the ground. I think we have the clearance we need to get it in. Comparison of the 2 blocks.
Good.
Yeah, the other top holes lined up.
The top is lined up or no?
No, but we can smack that with a hammer or something.
Well, which way they gotta go?
I think it's gotta go.
There
we go.
So, okay. That should do.
Now we should see how much we need to trim,
Yep.
and then we'll cut all 4 at once.
Yep.
Stick out a little bit. Let's take, what do you say, like that much? Like an inch and a, that's an inch and a half.
Sure. Inch and a half out of all of them.
Yeah, and then we have room to play.
Okay.
And if it's hanging out more, I can come in after with a grinder or a Dremel.
But regardless, this is a lower point anyway, so
Yeah.
quite frankly, you're not really.
Okay, so they're all cut. The block is in. It's in the pins. So here we go. Goddamn mosquitoes.
Inch and a half you were cutting?
Yeah. Okay, so old block, 1.5 inch. New block, 3 inches at the front, a little more at the back. Okay, so we got Chris just doing the final touch on the last side, torquing them all down properly. We're always very keen on torquing and doing everything properly. And we're being attacked by mosquitoes right now. You're probably going to see them on camera. Driver's side's done, just torquing the passenger side. And she'll be done. So there's all the extra parts. I'm going to keep them in case I ever decide to take off this mod. This is the name of the company, KO2 Suspension Performance. Let's hope she works well. All right, we'll see you when we're back on the ground. Okay, so it's done on the ground, and I'm loving it. Let's get her outside. It would probably look a little bit better with bigger wheels, but my wallet wouldn't look so good with bigger wheels.
Ah, it's only money.
All right, wow. Okay, so that's the video for today. As you can see, the back end is now ever so slightly higher than the front end. It's 1/2 inch higher than the front end, which is beautiful. We weren't expecting to do this tonight. I'm very happy it's done. Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. All right, so if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out. Oh shit, I got all kinds of dirt on my face. I guess I'm going home to take a shower. And give me a thumbs up. Help me out with the algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video.